Let's learn the names of 25 snakes. Kids, are you ready? Let's go!
This is a king cobra.
The king cobra is the longest venomous snake in the world. It can lift its head high and spread its hood when it feels scared.
This is a python.
The python is a big but gentle snake. It squeezes its food instead of using venom. It loves warm places and moves slowly and quietly.
This is a rattlesnake.
A rattlesnake has a rattle at the end of its tail. When it shakes the rattle, it makes a buzzing sound to warn others to stay away.
This is the green tree python.
This bright green snake lives in trees. It wraps its body around branches and waits quietly for food to pass by.
This is the corn snake.
Corn snakes are colorful and gentle. They are known for their bright orange and red patterns and calm nature.
This is a black mamba.
The black mamba is one of the fastest snakes in the world. It is long and slender, usually dark gray or black, and moves quickly when it feels threatened.
This is a cobra.
Cobras are famous for spreading their hoods. They can stand tall when threatened, but usually prefer to slither away quietly without harming anyone.
This is a king snake.
King snakes are brightly colored and non-venomous. They eat small animals and are known for being gentle and easy to handle safely.
This is a boa constrictor.
The boa constrictor is large and strong. It squeezes its food instead of using venom. It is mostly calm and moves slowly along trees or ground.
This is a green anaconda.
The green anaconda is one of the heaviest snakes in the world. It lives mostly in water and can swim very well, moving gracefully through rivers.
This is a bull snake.
Bull snakes are large and usually yellow or brown with dark patterns. They are strong but not venomous and often hiss to scare predators away.
This is a tiger snake.
Tiger snakes are found near water in Australia. They have dark bands on their bodies and usually stay calm unless disturbed.
This is a garter snake.
Garter snakes are small and harmless. They are often seen in gardens or near water and are friendly to look at.
This is a hog-nosed snake.
Hog-nosed snakes have a turned-up nose. They use it to dig and explore. They are small, harmless, and mostly calm.
This is a milk snake.
Milk snakes are brightly colored with red, black, and yellow bands. They are harmless and easy to watch moving slowly.
This is a rat snake.
Rat snakes are non-venomous and helpful for keeping gardens free of pests. They are usually black or gray and move quietly.
This is a coral snake.
Coral snakes are brightly colored with red, yellow, and black rings. They are small, beautiful, and usually hide under leaves.
This is a vine snake.
The vine snake is long, thin, and looks just like a green vine. It lives high in trees and moves very slowly and carefully.
This is a wolf snake.
The wolf snake is a small, shy snake with smooth, dark scales. It likes to come out at night and hides under rocks or fallen leaves during the day.
This is an egg-eater snake.
The egg-eater snake is long and slender. It loves to eat eggs of birds and reptiles. This gentle snake swallows its food whole and spends most of its time quietly searching for eggs.
This is a glossy snake.
The glossy snake is smooth and shiny with brown scales. It moves quietly and gently. This harmless snake loves to explore slowly.
This is a blind snake.
This tiny blind snake may not see, but it slithers underground like a secret explorer, feeling its way through the soil with amazing skill.
This is a sand boa.
The sand boa is a clever little snake that loves to hide in the sand. Watch it wiggle and disappear almost like magic.
This is a blue viper snake.
This stunning blue viper may look beautiful, but its venom is powerful. Watch it slither silently, blending with its surroundings.
This is a water snake.
The water snake glides gracefully through rivers and ponds. Its smooth, shiny body helps it swim fast and catch fish easily. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and learning videos.